Hi, today I'll teach you how to deploy printer using group policy in CSS NC II, step by step.
Open Control Panel. Add a device. Select the printer, then click Next. Open Print Management. Click All Printers. Select the printer to deploy. Copy the printer name path. Click Browse for Group Policy Object. Once done, click OK.
Open Control Panel. Right-click the installed printer and select Printer Properties. Paste the printer path to Locations. Click Sharing, check the boxes, then click OK.
Open Group Policy Management. Right-click the selected GPO. Select Preferences, Control Panel Settings. Right-click Printers, New, Shared Printer. Paste printer path and check the boxes. Right-click the selected GPO. Select Preferences, Control Panel Settings. Right-click Printers, New, Shared Printer. Paste printer path and check the boxes.
Open Command Prompt and type this command.
Click subscribe for more CSS NC II video tutorials like this. Don't forget to like and share to support the channel. See you in the next lesson.